So there are quite a few benefits to enhanced brand content and having that on your product listings. Again, rather than just a plain block of text, if obviously this looks way better, and the ultimate, really benefit to this is conversion. If you have this on your listing, you can really speak to the brand and make the customer really realize that this product is a brand, and you can kind of highlight that brand story, that brand voice, and also highlight again those different selling points and benefits and features of your product, and really make them stand out on this section. This is also a great section to put, more information about the product and specs and things like that, especially if you have a really technical product. And that can also help prevent any customer service issues or inquiries about your product, and, really help drive the selling factor home there. Another great tool to utilize in this section is kind of, upselling. So I have an example of this here where we can take a look at this particular brand where they do what's called this um, chart, a comparison chart. And this is one of the templates in the EBC template options. And you can highlight different products in your product line, or different products from your brand, and and again discuss those features and benefits of each of those. And customers are able to see other products that are offered from you, and that they might also like to purchase and convert on. If you don't have access to brand registry and therefore don't have access to EBC or enhanced brand content, one tip I would give you is to at least HTML your product descriptions. So, you know, if if you do have to put text in this section here, at least use headlines, and really highlight the benefits and features and make things stand out as best as you can. You can do that by utilizing bold coding HTML, separation of paragraph coding HTML, and lists in HTML coding to really make this section as readable as possible, and to make those benefits and features stand out as much as you can.